Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Toyota Highlander key fob battery. First, remove the emergency key by pressing the release button and sliding it out. Next, gather a small flathead screwdriver and a new CR2032 coin cell battery. Having these items ready will make the process smooth and quick, ensuring you can complete the task efficiently. Now, let's open the key fob. Look for a small notch or slot, usually near where the emergency key was housed. Insert the tip of your emergency key or a small flathead screwdriver into this notch. With a gentle twisting motion, the two halves of the key fob casing will begin to separate. Be careful not to force it. With the fob open, you'll see the old battery. Before removing it, note which way the positive side is facing, usually indicated by a plus sign. Use your small screwdriver to gently pry out the old CR2032 battery. Now, take your new CR2032 battery and insert it, ensuring the positive side is facing up, just like the old one. Finally, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing, making sure all components are properly seated. Press them firmly together until you hear a satisfying click, indicating they are securely snapped shut. Slide the emergency key back into its slot, and then test your key fob to ensure all functions are working correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.